So today we're checking in at the villas at the Grand Floridian Resort for a few days. We're in a one-bedroom lake view resort. Looking forward to seeing the room. Zach, you looking forward to spending some time here? Yeah. Okay, let's go check out the room.
Yep, let's go.
All right, we are at the villas at the Grand Floridian. We're in room 1416. This is a one-bedroom lake view. Let's go in and take a look. Coming in, we've got the kitchen. We've already got some of our stuff out, so a water pitcher and a few other things. But you can see a nice kitchen here with a full sink, coffee maker, toaster. There's some Joffrey's coffee. It's the 50th anniversary coffee, and a few coffee creamers also. And then we've got a full stove with an oven, a microwave. Here is the refrigerator, completely empty right now while we wait on our groceries from, Amazon Fresh to be brought over. So there's a freezer tray and a full freezer down here. We've got a full set of cutlery, trash can. Looks like it's a single can, but it's a big one, which is nice. And over here, you've got more drawers. There's some towels and pot holders. Full set of pots. Over here, another water pitcher and a cutting board. And here, we've got some utensils. Up here, we've got glasses, cookware. On this side, plates, bowls, and serving dishes. Over here, we've got some wine glasses. We've got the banquette with seating for, I don't know, 6 maybe. And then here, we've got more drawers. Another trash can for recycle, that's nice. Ice bucket, and another cabinet up here with nothing in it. Let's take a look at the living room. So over in the living room, got the TV, and here is a single Murphy bed. See if we can pull this down. Yep, here it is. And over on this side, you've got I don't know if that's a queen size. It looks like a queen size Murphy bed there. Some nice little Mickey and Minnie art here on the wall. More storage. There's storage, it looks like, down here. Yep, 2 storage drawers here, which is nice for the person that's staying in this room. So here is an electrical panel. All right. Here we've got a laundry basket and a nice closet there with an iron and ironing board. And this should be the washer and dryer, full-size washer and dryer. So now coming into the bathroom, you've got a nice full-size vanity here with storage down below here, and over here. Of course, there you've got the toilet. You do have the you've got the Disney H2O bath items here. You've got body lotion, shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and some face soap. And then over here, you've got a massive shower. It does have the lockdown H2O items here in the shower, but then you can see as you come around the shower, it's kind of dark in here. There's no light, or maybe there is. I think there may be a light up here above. But here, you've got a wand, shower wand there, rainforest head there. And so really, really nice size shower. And then if you come over into the second room, you've got, I don't know what this is doing. I came in the room earlier and it was doing this. Let's see if we can figure this out here. Let's see. Yeah, it is a jetted tub, as you can see. It's a small little jets down at the bottom that just blow air, but it's a really nice tub. You got some more H2O items there, a nice mirror, And as you come around, again, you've got another nice size vanity on this side with a little more storage underneath. There is a hairdryer that comes in the room. It's right there. More H2O items here, so plenty of the H2O items. H2O plus items. This is the main bedroom, the master bedroom. It's a king size bed, the nice vaulted ceilings. And you come around over here, you see you've got another full large television that looks like a 55 or maybe 65-inch TV with a desk here. And then as we come around, you can see this is where the bathroom is at. And then there's a massive, large walk-in closet with robes and extra pillows and blankets there for the beds in the living room. So over here we do have storage located here. And you've got two doors out to your patio. You've got one from the bedroom here and one from the living room. We'll go out there and take a look at that. Now we come out. We've got a great view of Magic Kingdom across the way. There's Space Mountain and Tron, the boat area and the bus stops. Over here you've got the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. And here is one of the ferries going across. And then just to the right over here is the Polynesian, and those are the bungalows at the Polynesian. And if I step all the way to the back, you can see the full length of this, which is really nice, all the way down. So that is a tour of room 1416 on the 4th floor at the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian.